In this video, I am going to show you how to fix the issue of your Tesla heater not working in your Model S, Model Y, Model X, or other Tesla models. If your car's heating system isn't functioning properly, here's what you can do to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Start by ensuring your car is powered on and that the climate control settings are configured correctly. On the touchscreen, go to Controls, Climate, and verify that the heater is turned on, the temperature is set to a higher level, and the fan speed is adjusted appropriately. Sometimes the system may be set to Off or Eco mode, which limits heating performance. Next, reset the car's systems by holding down both scroll wheels on the steering wheel for 10 to 15 seconds to restart the touchscreen and control systems. After the reset, test the heater again to see if it starts working. If the heater still isn't functioning, check for any error messages on the touchscreen. Tesla vehicles often display alerts if there's an issue with the HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system. Common problems include a malfunctioning heater core, clogged cabin air filters, or issues with the heat pump in newer models. For situations where the heater isn't blowing warm air, inspect the cabin air filter. A dirty or clogged filter can restrict airflow and reduce heating efficiency. Refer to your owner's manual for instructions on locating and replacing the cabin air filter, or contact Tesla service for assistance. If the issue occurs in cold weather, ensure the 12-volt battery is in good condition, as a weak 12-volt battery can impact HVAC performance. Additionally, try using the bioweapon defense mode or recirculation setting to improve heating efficiency. Finally, if none of these steps resolve the issue, there may be a deeper problem with the heater core, sensors, or electrical system. In this case, contact Tesla service or schedule a service appointment to diagnose and repair the problem. If this video helped you fix your Tesla heater not working issue, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.